A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. बाय बाय बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो।